Hello everyone, my name is Harya Jay Kurcharkar and I am a legal intern at Lexan Company. I'm also a fourth year BLB student from GR Kari College of Law, Margao, Goa under the Goa University. Today I'm going to be talking on the topic of public interest litigation, and the purpose of me is video to spread awareness about the concept of public interest litigation under section 32 of Article 32 of the Indian Constitution. So, public interest litigation explains PIL means a legal action initiated in a court of law for the enforcement of public interest or general interest in which the public or a class of community has pecuniary interest or some interest by which their legal rights or liabilities are affected. In state of Uttarakhand versus Balwant Singh Chaufal, uh, it was observed that the public interest litigation is a product of realization of constitutional obligation of the court. It is an extremely important jurisdiction, except with the Supreme Court and the High Court, in order to provide access to justice to poor, deprived, vulnerable, discriminated, and marginalized sections of the society. The Supreme Court has initiated, encouraged, and propelled public interest litigation. It is an upshot and product of the Supreme Court's deep and intense urge to fulfill its bounden duty and constitutional obligation. The origin and evolution of public interest litigation in India emanated from realization of constitutional obligation by the judiciary towards a vast section of society, the poor and the marginalized sections of society. Jurisdiction has been created and carved out by judicial creativity and craftsmanship. The court realized that because of extreme poverty and a large number of sections of society cannot approach the court, the fundamental rights have no meaning for them, and in order to preserve and protect fundamental rights of marginalized sections of society, the court, by judicial innovation and creativity, started giving necessary directions and passing orders in public interest. The court further observed that public interest litigation is not the nature of adversarial litigation, but it is a challenge and opportunity to the government and its officers to make basic human rights meaningful to the deprived and vulnerable citizens of the community, and to assure them social and economic justice, which is the signature tune of the Constitution. The government and its officers must welcome public interest litigation because it would provide them an occasion to examine whether the poor and the downtrodden are getting their social economic entitlements, or whether they are continuing to remain victims of deception and exploitation at the hands of strong and powerful citizens of the community, and whether the social and economic justice has become a meaningful and reality for them, or it has remained merely a teasing illusion and a promise of unreality, so that in case the complaint in the public interest litigation is found to be true, they can, in discharge of their constitutional obligation, root out of exploitation and injustice, and ensure to the weaker section their rights and entitlements. Please do like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video, and please do like and subscribe channel next week, and make sure to press the bell icon to get notification when I post a video. Also, please give my feedback on this video and previous videos, which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions in this video and in previous videos, please post in the comments below. I will reply as soon as possible. Lastly, this video is also any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India. So, the purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you.